I have had a dream since I was about 8 years old when I first saw the movie Police Academy. And I saw that guy doing those sound effects, and I was like, I want to do that. I want to do that for a living. Now, unfortunately, I was born with a cleft palate, and so making sound effects was not only incredibly painful, but was impossible. And so I let that dream die. Now, obviously, I have had corrective surgery, and for the past 3 years, I have been training with a vocal coach. And so tonight, I would like to present to you, in the comedic stylings of Michael Winslow, aka the sound effects guy from Police Academy, a piece I like to call, Well, That Sounds Like My Day. First, I wake up and I brush my teeth. Now it's time to go to work. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. What's wrong? Better check the oil. Oil's fine. There we go. Here I am at work. Time to turn on my computer. Ooh, looks like I've got some email. You got mail. Telephone's ringing. Hello? Mom! I've got to go eat lunch, Mom. Needles, 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 needles. Needles, 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 needles. Now it's off to home again. And off to bed. And that's my day, ladies and gentlemen.